Welcome to you to the YouTube channel Udaya Bhanja. Difference between beside and besides. First we should know what beside is and what besides is. First asterisk. Beside is a preposition, but besides is a preposition as well as an adverb. That means the word beside is a preposition, but the word besides is a preposition and it is also an adverb. Now we should know the meaning of the word or the meanings of the word beside. The word beside has three meanings. What are the three meanings? The first meaning is next to or at the side or at the side of somebody or something. Point number I, beside means next to or at the side of somebody or something. Example, here is a fantastic example. The example is Mona slept beside her god brother all night. That means here the word beside means next to or at the side of somebody. Then meaning, second meaning, the word besides means compared with somebody or something. Second means beside means compared with somebody or something. While making a comparison, we also use beside. Example, Sita's drawing looks inferior beside Mita's. And here the word beside is used to make a comparison between the drawing of Sita and Mita. It's a third meaning. The meaning of beside, it's a third meaning. Beside means unable to control. This one, unable to control. And this meaning or this expression is especially used for idiomatic expressions. While talking about the idiomatic expressions, we use beside, and in this regard, beside means unable to control. But what is its form? Its form is beside plus self form pronoun plus with plus something. And when beside is used in this pattern, and its meaning is unable to control. And what is the pattern? Beside plus self-form pronoun plus with plus something. Example, Litu was beside. Here beside. And self-form pronoun. Here is the self-form pronoun. And then with is the preposition. And anger is something. So this is the expression. Or this is the pattern. Beside plus self-form pronoun plus with plus something. And when beside is used in this expression, it means unable to control. What is the example? Litu was beside himself with anger when he came to know about cheating. Little was beside himself with hunger when he came to know about cheating. That means it especially means unable to control. We shall proceed towards the meanings of besides. And the first meaning of besides is in addition to somebody or something. That means besides means in addition to somebody or something. Perhaps your father went to market and you can say, besides fish, my father also bought chicken and meat. So with chicken and meat, there is an addition of a fish. So in addition to somebody or something, we use besides. Besides means in addition to somebody or something. Example, besides sugar, he also bought sweets and chocolates. Second meaning, besides is used for making an extra comment that adds to what you have just said. And here now you can see the speaker has given two comments, and the underlined one is the first comment, and then he had made an extra comment, and the extra comment is written immediately after besides. So the example is, I did not meet Rajesh, and it is a comment. I made no sincere effort. It is an extra comment. And here, besides is used to express or to convey the extra comment that adds to what the speaker has just said or what you have just said. And third use, besides is used for making an addition, such as offers, lotteries, etc. And perhaps here I am talking about a lottery, and its first prize is a Skoda car. And to attract the persons or attract the people, I can say the first prize is a Skoda car and much more besides. And much more besides, that means besides means for making an addition. And here the word besides means making an addition of praises. I think this video will be or is quite useful to you. Please like, share and comment it. Do not forget to subscribe this channel if you are new. Thank you.